I bet you're wondering why I've brought you both here. I've just been racking my brain for the last few days, asking myself the most important part of my life. Why am I on this planet? Why am I here? Why did my parents put me through so much uni with their hard-earned money? Have I got what it takes to be a top-tier filmmaker? Well, here after my recent discovery that I fuck up MΑΟRI, I've come to a conclusion. Angitu, the greatest kapa haka team in the whole entire world. Origin, Tāmaki Regionals. Founded in 2017, the name Angitu was taken from a whakatoki, Te whitia te hopo, marangatia te Angitu, which roughly translates to eliminate the negative, uplift that positive. That's what I'm all about. The great Tianara Wihongi, the stalwart, the man, the music. Te manu te ori ori a tāhua, awatia Wihongi. Backbone. The vivacious mastermind, Pere Wihongi. So many Wihongi. Oh, where? The sultry soprano solstice, hilarity. Big fan. Cue my amazing Freddies. Kamaea, the songstress of our generation. Aniwa, who can outboy and out-haka half of Aotearoa. This is Angitu!
Thought we were here for parakuihi.
Yeah, honestly, this isn't usually the way I like to get woken up by a man, Harrison.
This is why Atua brought us together, my friends. Hey, this is our destiny. Destiny never sleeps.
Looks like you haven't slept at all.
Yeah, well, I haven't. It's been making our own destiny. Hey?
Is that destiny over there?
Yep, pretty neat, isn't it? I love you guys. Yeah, well, I've always wanted to be a documentary maker. This one is going to be about kapa haka excellence. I kind of want to be the next Taika, or the next MΑORI Spielberg. I'm making a docu-series about Angitu. Yeah, behind the scenes, the politics, the grind. Who's going to make it to Auckland Regionals? And you two best friends are my favourite performers.
If I make it, I make it. If I don't make it, I don't make it. But I mean, getting paid to do kapa haka, I guess I can help you out.
So you realise that everybody at home is going to be watching you. So if you don't make the team, if you fall over, if your sister gives you shit, how are you going to cope with that over the next 6 months?
Right. Yeah.
I'm just here to tattoo Kamaea, to be honest. Plus, I kind of don't really need your help, Harrison. It's hard either way.
Oh, well, confidence is good.
So it's not burning out before the first noho.
Oh, now he sounds worried.
Kore ki maharara. Kei reira te reanga hou. Pukinga hou, I guess. But I mean, half of them we trained anyways for like 5 years, so they better be mean.
Yeah, you did train them, so they will be mean.
Yeah, exactly. It's kind of hard, not gonna lie.
But it's okay to bring tumatoanga to the atamita and be vulnerable too. You know, it's totally possible.
Fine. Fine, I'll look at my style, I guess. Not too butch, not too taka. I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, cool. Sorry, just chilling with my besties. Gosh, wow.
Bro, what the hell have I signed up for? He's literally turning my insecurities into content.
Only if he makes it interesting.
Okay, if this turns out weird,
It will.
I'm blaming him. Dick.
This is huge. This is the beginning. Te ora kua hanga.
Taku ahuru mo ai. I should probably really give it a good crack for them.
Oh, they do love you. I've been mean recently. I feel like Kamaea's hiding something from me. I can just feel it. And I know her. She always gets like that when she's hiding something. Little shit.
Koiti. Operation Angitu is officially underway. Yamu.
This is the moment. Say it together. will be Angitu.
Angi who? Angi too.
We will be Angitu.
The producer clocked that you said that there might be another reason that you want to make Angitu. What is that?
That's just going to be something you're going to have to find out later.
That's not how this works. We don't like that.